Boom. Welcome back, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick Bitcoin touch points for everyone out there in crypto land. As a reminder, this is never ever financial advice. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Every little bit helps there, folks. Now, getting right into it, we nailed it yesterday. Man, it was like we had a crystal ball. We had indicated that the shorts would be liquidated right around the 5,300 range, and we did see a retracement testing those 51,300 levels. We did see a bounce back. No confirmation on the 4 hours. Now, overall sentiment in social media is starting to turn a little bit sour, and we need to pay attention to that. Now, this is the complete opposite of last week, where the overall sentiment was well very very bullish. So let's get right into it, folks. We wanted to pull up the fear and greed index here. You see we're running right around 78 now. That's running a little bit hot. Once we hit the 80 mark, that's when we start to get into extreme greed. So you're going to want to go ahead and pay attention to this indicator, this index, because as we get into extreme greed, that's when you want to start considering to, at least in the short term, take your chips off the table, so to speak. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into our liquidation heat map. Now, pulling that up here, what you guys will see, we'll just find this. Here we go. You're not going to see a whole heck of a lot, actually. We took out the shorts here at the 53,000 range. That was where we were yesterday. So that, and then a retrace, which actually took out some longs, at least in the immediates. Now, as you guys see, we don't have too much here in these between 5,300, call 53.3, and well, nothing down below. So really not much. We're not going to see, I don't think, too much movement based off of getting rid of some of these either extreme shorts or extreme longs here. So let's go ahead and pull up the charts. And let's take a look here. Now, what we're starting to see here is we're starting to see that we saw a breakdown multiple times in the past 24 hours below that crucial 51.3 mark that we've been talking about. Now, we need a confirmation 4-hour candle to truly just close and stay below. I think that this next 4-hour candle right here over the next, call it 3 hours, we're going to see if it remains closed beneath that 51.3 range. We suspect if we do see that close, then we may see a downward tumble and then a retest of the, call it 5,400. So RSI levels are kind of hanging right out in the middle. Now, this is the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the daily here. Take a look at the daily. Yeah, we see the starting to see a correction here in the RSIs. Moving average is starting to wane off, and we could start to see this break down. We're riding right around for the RSI levels, right around the 70 mark. So we go anything below 70, folks, and we're back into normal range. That could mean, though, that we start to see a tumble down. Now, we talked yesterday about the Eller's stochastic CG oscillator. We want to go ahead and pull that up as well. Let me go ahead and change this back to 4-hour. And let's pull up that indicator. You see here, this is what we're talking about. We were talking about yesterday where it was starting to turn up. We did see the increase, took out the liquidation here at that 53,000 level, and then a retrace. Now, what we're seeing here is, at least according to this indicator, we could continue to see a downward momentum or downward trend below that 53,000 level. Of course, none of this is no one can really truly see the future, but it's an indicator you're going to definitely want to pay attention to. I don't know, my gut feeling is we may see a bit of a retracement here. Now, final thoughts here, folks. As I had stated, I'm always long on Bitcoin, and I'll be paying attention to the daily indicators as per the norm. We're going to go ahead and continue to keep DCAing into my spot trade. And for the short term, however, we are testing that 53,000 range, and I think that if we break above that 53,000 range, if we can get a close above 50, call it 52.5, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this new channel up here. But at the moment, you're going to want to pay attention to as well the 51,300 level, and we're going to be paying attention to that over the next few hours. So if we get a 4-hour candle close below that 51.3 level, we may see a correction to the downside, and less likely that it is an actual fake out. So that's something we're going to go ahead and want to pay attention to, and we're going to go ahead and see if we get a consolidation. I think what we'll probably see is a continued consolidation here if we stay above that 51,300 level. Otherwise, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time. We'll be right back.